All right, good morning, Washington Eagles. It is Wednesday, April 22nd, and we are working on math. And yes, we are subtracting with some regrouping. And as you can see, we have some zeros going on. And so, yeah, we got to practice subtracting with zeros. So, let's just get to it. I've already put our holy animals. I already have the answer right there. All right, let's go. You know what? It's no big deal. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 4, if you got 5, you take away 4, you got a thumbs up, 1. Bring down that decimal. Can we take 2 out of 0? We cannot. We cannot take 2 out of 0. So we're going to borrow here. And this becomes a 3, and that becomes a 10. All right, can we take 2 out of 10? We sure can. We have 10. We take away 2, that's 8. And 3 minus 1 is 2. And so we have $28.10. $28.10. Let's add them up and see if we're right. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. We're going to bring down that decimal. 8, 9, 10. 1, 0. 2, 3, 4. $40.50. $40.50. All right, rock on. Let's keep it moving. All right. So right off the bat, y'all do not flip those numbers. You cannot flip that and make that a 6 minus 1. You cannot do that. Don't do it. I know it is hard work to borrow, but you can do it. Okay, you can do it. We're here together doing this. Okay, so we have 6. Make that look more like a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 1. All right, can we take 6 out of 1? So we got to borrow. We can't borrow from the tens place. It's a 0. It has nothing. It has no value. Let's keep it moving. So now we have to borrow from the hundreds place to do it. So we're just borrowing right there. So that 5 becomes a 4. And we're taking it next door, and that becomes a 10. But we still have to get all the way to the ones place. So we have to borrow from here. That becomes a 9. And now this becomes 11. So can we take 6 out of 11? We sure can. So we're going to add 10 to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right? So can we take 6 out of 11? We sure can. Let's take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's our answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 9 minus 5. Can we take 5 out of 9? We sure can, with 4 left over. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So 145. So 501 minus 356 is 145. Let's check by adding. So here's what we're going to do, because we don't have a whole lot of room. We're just going to add 345 to our answer. We're going to add our 345 to our 145. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 1, put a 0. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. And 3 plus 1 is 4. 4, 3, what'd I do? 4, let me check my answer. 1, 0, 8, 9. See? Excellent reason why we check. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And what did I do wrong? 356. Oh. See, that's what I did wrong. You see? This was wrong. I put like 340 something. So it's 145, which is our answer, plus 356. So there's our 356, okay? Let's try this again. This looks better. So 6 plus 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. right, so put our 1 down here and our plus 1 up here. Okay, so 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So plus 1 and put our 0. That looks better. 3, 4, 5. 501, 501. See? We all make mistakes. Did I freak out? I did not freak out. I just went back and I looked at my problem to figure out what I did wrong. And that's learning, right? When you go back and figure out what you did wrong, that's how you learn. Okay? So 501, 501. Let's try another one. Mistakes happen, and that's okay, because we learn from mistakes. That it means your brain is working. Your brain is trying to go, wait a second, what is going on? And that's when learning takes place, okay? That's all good. That's why we practice these problems, okay? Let's do, Leo's in my lap, little stinker. Okay, let's do $130.42 plus minus $17.80. That would be easy if we were adding. That would be easier. I think addition's easier than subtraction. All right, so 2 minus 0. Well, if we have 2 and we take away nothing, we're going to get 2. Can we take 8 out of 4? We can't do it. We cannot do it. So, can we go next door? That isn't worth anything, so we have to go all the way over here. So that's going to become a 1. This will become 10. But we still have to make it all the way over here to the 10th place. So we're going to borrow. That becomes a 9, and this becomes a 14. So, can we take 8 out of 14? We sure can. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is 4. That's not going to be right, because that would be 12. So it should be 6. Because I know that 6 plus 8 is 14. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's where I went wrong. 6. Okay, so bring down our decimal. Can we take 7 out of 9? Yes. 9 minus 7. 5, 6, 7 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. And 1 minus 0 is 1. This cat is just in my way. All right, so $130.42 minus $17.80 is $112.62. All right, let's see if we're right. Let's check and see. So we're going to say $112.62 plus $17.80. All right, let's add. 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 6, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Plus 1, and put our 4 down there. Remember, we want it to look like a 14. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So plus 1, and put our 0 down here. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And now we're going to bring down our 1. Is $130.42. $130.42. All right, that is all for today. Keep practicing those math facts, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Stay safe. Love you guys.